Hi people, this is Himanshu. Welcome back to Chai Kahani. So first of all, a big sorry for such a delay in the next video. So let's get started. So today is very special for me because I've been waiting for so long for this series to drop in. So behold the almighty Mirzapur season 2. So without any delay or details, let's kick off. So as you all know, it stars Pankaj Tripathi, Divyendu Sharma, Ali Fazal, Vikrant Massey, Shriya Pilgaonkar, Shweta Tripathi, Rajesh Thailang, Amit Sial, Vijay Verma, Rasika Dugal, etc. in the lead roles. So a huge cast who are really talented. So a quick recap of season 1. So we can see Kalin Bhaiya as the Bahubali of Mirzapur and Munna his son always wanting that throne. Meanwhile, Guddu and Bablu join the team and kick off the things in gun business. But unfortunately, differences arises. And Guddu kills Bahubali of Jaunpur, Rati Shankar, who is the sworn enemy to Kalin Bhaiya. And eventually, Bablu, who is Guddu's brother and Sweetie, Guddu's wife, would be killed by Munna. And Guddu and Golu, that is Sweetie's sister, escape from there. So that's where season 2 kicks off. So Guddu and Golu escape and they are in a desperate situation to take revenge on Tripathi family and eventually fulfill their brother's dream, that is to become Don of Mirzapur. So on a bigger picture, there are a couple of stories that take place parallelly. So number 1, as I've said earlier, Guddu and Golu, who are seeking revenge for their loss against Tripathi family and becoming Bahubali of Mirzapur. So number 2, Tripathi family, who are wanting to increase their political power. Number 3, Guddu's father and Inspector Maurya trying to seek justice for the all the constables and their families and the loss of Sweetie and Bablu by collecting evidences against the Tripathi family. Number 4, Sharad, who is the son of Rati Shankar, who was killed by Guddu, seeking revenge against Guddu and fulfilling his father's last wish, which is again, becoming the Don of Mirzapur. Number 5, Munna, son of Kalin Bhaiya, who anyhow wants to take control of Mirzapur by becoming the Don. So this is all about season 2. These are not the details, but the storylines, how the series proceeds. Now, the good and the bad aspects. Firstly, I was desperately waiting for the Telugu dubbed version of it because among all the series, this one goes so far to keep the realistic nature of the series in terms of dialogues. And the next point, the storyline, which is pretty amazing and really engaging for the audience. It would be too bad, to say that series Mirzapur has got some guts and a big eye-opener in terms of movie making. I can say one thing, among all the characters, the character Munna, played by Divyendu Sharma, really excited me a lot. Man, he's literally created a masterpiece, and I'm sure that he was the only person who could have pulled off such a bold role with ease and realism. And also the background score. It is one of the strongest points of the series. And let's come to the much awaited bad aspects. One thing that I've said, the release of Telugu version parallelly would have been really amazing. Although the storyline is pretty amazing, but when compared to season 1, it lacks somewhere. In the middle, it feels like we are overwhelmed by the characters, and it felt like the makers were deciding which storyline to be more important and eventually giving importance to all the plot lines, but not justifying all the stories. And this really pissed me off. Mirzapur season is all about violence, crime, the cuss words, drama, family, etc. But season 2, it feels like it's lacking in every aspect of it. Rather, if the makers would have focused only on a couple of parallel stories with interesting plot lines, it would have been fucking amazing. So this season deviates from the crime aspects to the much more political aspects, where different people are setting up different plots in their own alleys, to eventually sit on the throne of Mirzapur. So, how all the stories converge to one single point, and what happens, and who succeeds? For this, you have to watch the series. At the end, I admit that I am a huge fan of Mirzapur, but season 2 was not up to the mark. But crazy enough, the series is extremely crazy, and it'll definitely give you one hell of a crime drama ride. At the end, I can say that the series is amazing, only and only if you watch it without any expectations. Overall, it's a good series, I can say, and hopefully there will be season 3 as well, and finger crossed for that. And you can watch the series in Prime Video. So that's it for the video, people. If you have really liked this content, please like and subscribe to Chai Kahani, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.